Afternoon, good morning, good evening. Physics for Engineers topic. Chapter 10 is optics. Optics. Tingnan kita pag-solve. We'll start with number 1. Did you support two plane mirrors intersect at right angles? So this is the two mirrors, mirror 1, mirror 2. A laser beam strikes the first of them at point 11.5 from their point of intersection, as shown in figure. For what angle of incidence? For what angle of incidence at the first mirror will this ray strike? The midpoint of the second mirror, which is 28. So iniya mabanda nga di, tapos adi maiigo ha 28. Siguro kailangan natin drawingon. Maybe I have to draw this. Redraw. Ito ba siya? And then but anyway, tapos mabanda hiya didi 28. So this should be 14, half. So half kono is 14, which is 28 centimeter. Will strike the second midpoint. I guess inya problem is just a trigonometric problem. So of course masayong pa 28 centimeter, sorry, that should be 14 centimeter. So added aton, and this should be 14. So ini the angle of incidence, ini actual ginaaro theta. Actually ini nga theta liwat is equal to this theta, which is 90 degrees with respect to beta. Yan, actually beta at may relation, that is opposite over hypotenuse, that is tangent. Tangent beta is equal to 14 all over, 11.5 ang siguro to sa 11.5, sorry, 11.5. So tangent beta is 14 all over 11.5. To resulta na lahi beta 90. So 90 degrees is equal to beta plus theta. Kaya nang beta pwede ko alpha. Warila, I don't know. So pwede ko hiya theta kasi taging bibiling, that should be 90 degrees minus beta. Okay? So pwede ko sumiring beta is equal to arctan 14 all over 11.5, and then beta is 90. Beta is 90 minus theta. So this beta, so rin naging butang, so beta is 90 minus theta, which is arctan 14 all over 11.5. Kaya naman nipis man ini dugang So theta would be equal to 90 minus arctan 14 all over 11.5, and that should be it. So you have 90 minus arctan, then you have 14 all over 11.5, and the answer is 39.4 degrees. So your angle of incidence in here, theta, that should be a 39. The answer is 39.4 in degrees. Okay? Thank you guys for listening. Kakat ko la.